But past all that, you just need to kind of come in here and look at all your gauges. You've got your control on button right here, which turns the crane on. Most of the time, that will turn your spreader pump on too. The spreader pump is basically what it says, the spreader. That's going to control your flippers. That's going to control your lock and unlock buttons for the beam. That's going to control contracting it in, contracting it back out. And you can see right here, all these will be different buttons. You can see that says retract and extend. Retract will take it back to a 40 if it's in a 45, or a 20 if it's in a 40-foot position. And this will extend it naturally. Then you have your housings for your center housing, to send your center housing down. And that's so that you can grab twin 20s with your beam. Here's your unlock lever, back to lock, forward to unlock. Sometimes these cranes have an auto, so when you land on the load, it'll lock up for you automatically. You just need to check that when you come in here and see. Then over here, you have your flippers. You can control them whether you want them to be off or on. This makes them go, this activates them. This right here tells it that you don't want the flipper to work or you do want it to work. So you can have land side flippers on, water side flippers off, or vice versa. This is your skew and your list. That basically just tells the beam to go tilt forward or back, or list towards the water, or list back towards land side when we're grabbing our loads. There's your lights right there. The green one is your unlock light. The middle button there is, the second button on the right there, the orange one, that is your landing light. Once you land and all 4 of your corners are in the can, you'll see that landing light come on. That's when you can use your lock lever to lock up, and then you'll get a red light. You can start picking up. The other orange light over there is what they call a slack rope. So in other words, you landed on the can, you didn't get the landing light, but the ropes are a little loose. So that just tells you slack rope. Sometimes you'll get a crane fault on that. Usually when you get a crane fault inside your crane, just repress your start button inside this crane and you can see it says reset. Now sometimes on a crane you'll have a reset button up top right here. It just depends, and that's why I said get into your crane early. You can check all your work, you can check all the buttons, make sure you know everything. And again, we have a monitor in here, but that